Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you some tips, tricks, and how to dial in some pretty cool tones in on your Pod HD 500X, your line 6. Okay, now first tip I'm going to show you, something I don't show you too much. Let's go in here. Okay, now if you want to get 2 amps, something that nobody shows you, okay, push this move button here, move, and push it to the right. Okay, if you've seen what I did there, right here, move button, go back. Okay, now watch, push move, 2 amps. You want to move an effect and push the amps back. Okay, that way. If you want to add effects inside the amp there, okay, just like that. Okay, something that nobody really shows you. Okay, now where I got those, presets, rather, is I modified existing tones. We're going to go to Song Style, Enter, okay, going to go to the Licks, which is 14B, okay. Okay, I'll give you all the, let's go down here to right there. Okay, and I'll show you how all the presets are here. Wall was off, factory settings, amp, I changed it to the solo clean there. Zoom that in just a touch. Okay. There's all the amp edit settings. Right where the dots are. That's where it was saved last. Volume cranked all the way up. Okay. Okay. Mix 27, factory settings. Modulation tri-course, factory settings, that for the mix 27. Reverb plate, mix 27. EQ, factory settings there. Okay. Pretty cool. That's Roomba Metallica. See if I can get this one going. Let's turn the volume up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, that was Lord Belial. Okay, let's go to the Metallica Distortion. Where I got this from, Best of HD, was from Heavy Chords. Obviously I moved the amps this way, just by 1. Okay, I put 4 pedals right here. But to get a good heavy sound, see how I used just the amps? There's no distortion pedals in here. Time you have distortion, you always want to use your noise gate right here before the amps. Always. Because if you don't, it's real fuzzy and just sounds bad. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Back to show you. Factory settings. Wall, that's off. When it's blacked out like it's off. See? Okay. All factory settings. Let me show you the amp settings here. Hold on. Okay. Okay, amp 2, cranked all the way. See them little dots? That's where it was saved last. It'll do that. Where you save the settings last, it'll put dots there so you can put it back. Okay. I'm not using any special amplifier either. I'm using just a cheap little 10-watt amp. A little bit of iced earth there. That's 7-string here. A little bit of random stuff I did there. So there's that. Let's go to the lead. Okay. Malmsteen, that's what I call it anyway. Here we go. Where I got that. Let's go to enter. Best of HD. Singing lead. That's where I got it from. Now on this one, I'm going to show you how to modify this really easy. Just a little trick. Okay, to turn your lead tones, I'll show you what it sounds like without modifying it. Okay. Okay. Now watch. You want your reverb. You want to work your reverb. Turn the mix up. Turn the mix. We'll do 50 for now, just to show you. Okay. Okay. You're turning up. Starting. Let me turn on the wah. Okay. Let's turn her up a little more, huh? Go to 85. Okay. A little bit of Yngwie there. Sounds pretty cool. Yeah, guys, hope this was useful for you guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. One thing about this effects processor, it sounds better when you have 2 amps going. Oh yeah, it really cranks up. I just got the one in there for now. Just a little cheap 10-watt Fender amp. So, hey, till next time, guys, keep on rocking.